First off, realize that wealth is built through our conversations. And when we have conversations where we believe money is complicated, when we believe money is scarce, when we believe that wealth is a game of luck and favor and birthright or marriage, then what we do is we sacrifice the best of who we are. You are a value creator. A happy hustler is a value creator. They're searching for how they can serve people, how they could solve problems without destroying their lives. If you are seemingly successful but unhappy, you've lost the game. You're not in the happy hustle. You're in the hustle, grind, and work at the expense of your family, at the expense of your life, at the expense of your health. And what happens in that trade time for money, overfund a retirement and underfund the investment in ourselves, we lose. When you can embrace being a value creator, this is the game. It's that when you put value first, when money is no longer the reason or excuse why you would do or not do something, you win. You're free. When money's a consideration, not the consideration, you're going to unlock yourself as your greatest asset. Your greatest asset isn't a stock. It's not a bond. It's not even your business. It's you. Your ability to serve others, solve problems, and add value. And money chases value.